Hey guys, it's Nicole Barnett here from Principal's Pet. It's time to get printing. This is going to be so easy. It's going to be the best flip book you've ever laid your hands on. Let's get started.
All right, so you've just customized everything to your liking to fit you, your needs in your classroom. It's time to print. Go up to the corner where you see File, click File, click Print. Go ahead and choose the slide numbers that you need. There's the ones I will need. This next step is very important. Make sure you are printing on both sides, and you're going to want to print pages on the long edge. This will help your flip book come out correctly. You'll notice that these pages look like they're upside down, but when they come out of the printer, they will be perfect. Let's go ahead and press print. All right, let's get to the next step.
All right, so these are hot off the press. It's time to go ahead and fold these the correct way. Let's get started. They look like they're not in the right order, but just wait, you'll see. First thing you want to do is find that cover page. Here it is. Let's go ahead and fold right above that line. Make it nice and even. Looking good, looking good. So you want to go ahead and fold right above that border box. There it is. Now it's time to look for the number 1. Right there. I want to go ahead and find that and fold it again. I'm making sure it's lining up nice and even at the bottom right here. That fold is just above that border box. Looking good. Very good. I'm going to go ahead and start stacking just to give me that visual. There it is. Oh, perfect. I'm going to look for that number 2. Here's the number 2 page. When I fold it, you'll find that number 3 is right below it. Making sure I'm right above that box there. Fold like so. It was nice and even. I'm going to go ahead and stack that here. And you'll see we've got those consecutive numbers. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking good to me. All of these are tucked in nice and neat. Take your stapler. I like to just give it that one staple and voila, you're done. Here we go. And there's that Meet the Teacher on the back page. You're done.